Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Ends in Flying Scotsman's birthday party. There's all kinds of yummy cupcakes and presents waiting for Flying Scotsman. Each time an ensign loses, it will give Flying Scotsman a birthday present. The winning ensign gets to give Flying Scotsman the biggest present.
Oh my! I can't believe it! Flying Scotsman invited me to his birthday party! I really just can't believe this! I'm so excited!
Oh yeah! Me too! This is gonna be so exciting!
Starting things off, Green Salty versus Thomas. Whoa, Salty, you are super strong. Let's see what present Thomas gets to give Flying Scotsman. It looks like it's a Finding Dory blind pack. Wow, he got Becky. And now, Scruff versus Duke. Scruff gets to give a super cool present. Flying Scotsman seems thrilled with his new Hot Wheels. Wow, that's one unique car.
Ha! I'd like to see you beat that car. There's no way you're a match for it.
Oh, but I am Ninja Warrior! I beat Hot Wheel car, no problem!
Well, I've got to admit, you are super fast. Sorry I ever doubted you.
And now, Lady versus Belle. I bet Lady's gonna love giving this present. It's a Sopkin Season 5. Hurry and open them, Flying Scotsman. I can't wait to see what's inside. Those are cute. I wonder what their names are. It's Bailey Baseball Glove and Dilly Damroll. Finishing up the quarterfinals, Bertram versus Luke. Cool, Luke. You get to give Flying Scotsman a Star Wars toy. Whoa, look at that. I bet you're gonna have fun flying that around. Semi-finals time. Green Salty versus Duke. Down goes Duke. I see you chose some stickers, and they're Thomas and Friends. Good choice. Sorry, Flying Scotsman, there's no sticker for you yet. Green Salty goes on to the finals. Who will he face? Belle or Bertram? Ooh, it's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mega Bloks. We're gonna have to put that together. All done. Ooh, cool, he's ultra rare. Final round, Green Salty versus Belle. Looks like Green Salty's getting a WWE Stackdown character for Flying Scotsman. It's Roman Reigns. I wouldn't want to mess with him. Belle is the winner! Let's see the big prize she got for Flying Scotsman. It's a Ditsy penguin. And he dances too.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Flying Scotsman. Happy birthday to you.
I want to get a closer look of all those cool toys. Oh no! I'm never gonna sit on a piñata again.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe and give us a thumbs up.